Hey, what's going on everybody? We're here with another Breaking the Basics video. Today we're going to be looking at a personal go down of mine that I call the figure 4 leg drop. So a little background on this move. It's actually inspired by a pro wrestling move, the figure 4 leg lock, made famous by the legendary Ric Flair, and me just trying to see how I could adapt that to breaking. It's essentially based off of a hook, but instead of on the ground, we're going to take it from a standing position and drop it to the ground. Instead of finishing the hook normally, you're going to continue the motion behind your leg into a figure 4 as you drop. Now I've broken down a very similar movement called the repeater hook in another video, so if you want to check that out, you can right here, or check it out in the description below, but it's basically the same movement. The main part to be aware of is that sort of hook and S movement behind the leg, so do your best to try and get comfortable with that. The next step after that S movement into the figure 4 is the pop back into a more natural footwork position. I personally like to use that figure 4 position to sort of bounce off as I pop back into a kind of bridge. But it's always up to you to see what feels comfortable and how you want to do it, and how you want to get out of it. So as usual, just play around with it, learn it, break it, and make it your own. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like it, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.